in Salerno this week, and we're about to head out. We're going to be showing you guys a full day trip out in Salerno. We're going to get the ferry into Amalfi, and yeah, let's just go and check out the sights.
So we're on the boat, first stop Maori, and then we're off to Amalfi.
Just touched down in Maori, and already the views are stunning. The boat journey we got on, incredible. Some of the coastline views are stunning as well, and it was only €8 to get all the way to here, so it's definitely worth the trip. Maori, and first stop is obviously some gelato with an amazing view. From Maori all the way to Manari, and we're going to try and get a boat to Amalfi. Amalfi, we're exploring around the streets now, and we've just spotted a sign for fish and chips. We're going to go and check out the price. It's probably going to cost an absolute fortune, mind you.
Survived the bus journey up to Ravenna. It was a bit crazy along the hairpin bends, but we're here. So we're just gonna explore and see what we can find. So we're just back at the campsite now after an amazing day exploring Maori and Amalfi.
Yeah, if you want to see what we get up to next week, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, tell us where you're from, drop us a comment, tell us what you think, and until next week, guys, chill out.